Hi everyone, Mark from Go Fast Hobbies here with you on a Tech Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to go over the GFR1 foam tire sprint car with a gearbox. The basic setup that we run at our track here and tracks around the area. Alright guys, take the cage off here and get started. I'll go over shocks real quick with you. Front shocks have the 12-pound GFRP springs, the older ones, the colored ones. Has the older 3-hole pistons in the car with 35 weight oil in the front. The back has the 8-pound springs in the back with 3-hole pistons and 35 weight oil as well. Move on to the transmission. It has the gear differential in it. Has the 60/40 training lube in it. Has steel idler gear. Nothing too fancy there. As you can see, the car does have, I did put carbon arm pieces on there, which I did glue on there. It is the GFRP 1403. And you do have to modify them. I did glue them on there, which does help stiffen the front arms, stops them from flexing so much. Also notice the car does have the customer's caster blocks on it. Helps take out a lot of slop that the GFRP blocks have. These are 7300 numbers. This is a 7300. They make a 7305, which is a 5 degree, and a 7310, which is the 10 degree block. I run the 0 degree blocks, which is 7300 on the cars. It does have the Brian Blanton Racing Products cage front wing mount. These front wing mounts are awesome. It saves the wing, and the cage is almost indestructible, and they come in multiple colors as well. This one's orange. I do have some parts over here. See the red cage here, as well as I got blue front wing mounts too. Super flexible, hold up really well. Talk about the rear of the car. Does have the game changer arms on the back of it. If you're adjusting these arms, I always recommend using the right rear adjustment for the corner exit and the left rear adjustment for the corner entry. Obviously, the more toe you put in the back of the car in the left rear, like on corner entry, is going to make the car turn in harder. You take it out, it's going to make it turn in less. This car it's maxed out. It has 12 degrees of toe in the left rear. And then the right rear, same thing. The more you run on the right rear coming out of the corner, the car is going to carry more corner speed off the corner. It's also going to be freer. So hopefully that helps with that. But yeah, pretty much just a basic car. Not anything too crazy with it. But hopefully you guys like the videos. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hopefully this helps you out, gives you some hints. I will talk to you later.